Like, he's just the best person I could ever spend my life with, and thanks for like tolerating all my craziness, and thanks for being there for me. I was at Temple Tree the other day, and Rahul and I were trying to fix the venue for the wedding. Trying to convince our parents to kind of shell out that much for Temple Tree was a huge task altogether. I saw a friend of mine, she had posted some pictures on Facebook. There's this photographer, Anup, who does these amazing things with like underwater photography. And I was completely floored. Like, I just thought it was so amazing that she actually got to do something like that.
They have these couples all decked up underwater and these brilliant photos, and I was like, man, I wish I could really give this to her.
Rahul and I were looking at the pictures. We know we can't afford it, so we just like stared at it for a while. It was between Temple Tree and getting an amazing photography session done. But yeah, I think if anything, I would really want to get like a really nice shot of both of us together, and preferably underwater. That's so cool. So he came to my house, he called me before, and he started driving. I had no idea, like no clue where he was going.
Oh my God, just chill for a bit. Cool. Yeah, yeah. I told you it wasn't so fast.
So we drove up to the place and got out of the car. And then suddenly we were walking in, I could see all these cameras around, and I was like completely shocked because I was like, where are we going with this? And suddenly Rahul just pointed to the side, and I saw Anup sitting right there, and I was like, what? And I saw the scuba gear and the cameras and everything, and I was like, oh my God, really, is it happening? Because, you know, it was everything that I just spoke about, and, you know, I was just in shock, complete shock. And they got a stylist, they got a makeup artist, they got clothes, everything fit so perfectly and went with my Tanishq jewelry. They just picked everything just right. I mean, I just want the same people to come.
You should have seen her. She looked amazing in that gown and with the jewelry and everything.
And Anup just made us feel really at ease. Like, he told us just breathe out and then go in, and actually that I never really thought, because you always take a breath before going inside.
I never thought we'll experience something like this.
Yeah, and it's something completely different, right? It's completely unique. No one ever gets stuff like this done. So I actually have something to brag about with my friends and stuff. I'm just so glad this happened, because to get a photographer like him, it was amazing. I don't think I'd ever think that we'd get him to work with us. The whole experience was just much more than I thought it was. I just think that you should just believe in whatever, even if it's as ridiculous as ridiculous, just give it a shot and see if you can actually go through with it, because having that unique thing in your wedding will just make your day. And I made a confession and I got rewarded for it. Amazing.